Are you out there balling on a budget right now? If so, I've got something for you in this video, guys. We're gonna be talking about how to get out here and get some free wholesale real estate deals. Let's not waste any time. Let's get right on into it.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a...
All right, so the first method that I want to put y'all on to is going to be working with agents. You hear guys like Jerry Norton talking about working with agents all the time, right? And there's a couple different ways that you can work with them. One is that if you're on like a Zillow.com, you can go there and you can reach out to agents who have properties listed and make offers on those already listed properties. Another thing that you can do is ask them for their pocket listings that they have that they haven't actually put onto the market yet. That's where having relationships with agents really helps out. Now keep in mind, guys, working with agents can potentially cost you some earnest money deposit, but we could be talking about as low as $10 or $100, something like that. It doesn't have to be a ridiculous amount. The next strategy is gonna be Craigslist. Craigslist is a great source for wholesale deals. Whether you're the actual flipper or a wholesaler, you can absolutely hop on Craigslist. There's tons of people posting their deals all throughout the nation, okay? So you can get these wholesale deals on Craigslist. You'll go to the real estate for sale section and you'll be able to see people who are posting their wholesale deals. It may be actual sellers on there. It may be wholesalers. It's gonna be a combination of the both. So definitely take advantage, reach out to people on Craigslist. Trust me, it's one of the largest markets for real estate in America. All right, guys, so the next strategy is gonna be driving for dollars. Getting outside, driving around, looking for vacant and distressed properties in your neighborhood, guys. It's one of the best tried and true OG ways to get out here and get some of these wholesale deals, and it's absolutely free. Outside of technically using up some gas, it's a free wholesale method. Next is actually one of my favorite methods, and that's gonna be Facebook Marketplace, y'all. You can literally go in any market in America, type in words that represent wholesale deals like contract for sale, fixer-upper, investor special, handyman special, things like that, and you'll see tons of opportunities that match those search terms on Facebook Marketplace. Trust me, it works amazingly, man. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. All right, guys, so next is gonna be Facebook groups. But specifically inside of Facebook groups, I would be trying to join real estate related Facebook groups, as well as buy, sell, and trade Facebook groups for a very specific reason, because in the real estate related groups, you're gonna find all of the actual real estate players. You're gonna find buyers, you're gonna find other wholesalers, you're gonna find agents, title companies, attorneys, things like that. In the buy, sell, and trade groups, you're gonna find those actual home sellers, like people that actually wanna sell their own home, and they're just on this buy, sell, and trade group on Facebook just trying to sell it. Okay, trust me. And you can do both. You wanna be posting inside of the real estate related groups, and you want to be posting inside of the buy, sell, and trade groups, and search for people who have deals in both of those groups as well. You give yourself the best chance of actually pulling down some absolutely free deals leveraging Facebook groups.
You smart.
All right, next, and this is one that I haven't really wanted to tell too many people about because I don't want it to get oversaturated, and that's reaching out to people on for sale and for rent by owner sites. All you have to do is just go to places like forrentbyowner.com, maybe apartments.com. Even Zillow has like a for sale and a for rent by owner section on it. All you gotta do is just reach out to these individuals. Usually their name and phone number is right there available on the site. Reach out to them. Hey, John, I saw you got a property at 123 Main Street. Just curious if you ever thought about letting that property go. Have you considered letting that property go? Would you be willing to part ways with 123 Main Street? Something like that, guys. Reach out to these people. Give as many people as possible the opportunity to say yes. If that place is vacant right now, there's a decent likelihood that that seller just wants to get out the game. But maybe they just haven't thought about it. Maybe like, I'll just put it back online. But you calling them could actually be that spark that gets them ready to go to sell that property once and for all. Next, and this is something that we should all be doing if we aren't already, And that's talking to family and friends. So we can't be afraid or ashamed to tell the people that we know, love, and trust, and know, love, and trust us, that we're out here. They need to know, otherwise they can't do business with us, even if they wanted to. They would rather choose you, but you didn't say anything, so they decided to go with an agent.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Or something like that. Like, make sure that you're out here promoting yourself, putting yourself out there, telling your family and friends what you have, like what you can do for them. Hey, you know, like if you're ever looking for any properties, I can help you find a property for a deeply discounted price. If you're ever looking to sell your house, I can get you top dollar for that property. I can get somebody that'll pay you cash so you can move on quickly. You ain't even got to do the repairs, bro. That's how you want to be talking to your family and friends. Let them know. But if they don't know, how can they shop with you? That's a great way to get absolutely free wholesale real estate deals. And then last but not least, guys, social media is another great way to come across some absolutely free wholesale real estate deals. Leverage that Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Let people know that you're around here. Write some funny posts, put some memes on there. Makes it like, you know, post some little viral video clips, something like that. All real estate related. Let people know, hey, I'm in the real estate space. Hey, I'm out here in these streets. Give people a reason to want to reach out to you. So if you're on like Facebook groups, for instance, and Facebook Marketplace, make your actual Facebook profile look like something. You don't want them to get there and it's a bunch of NBA 2K22 videos and a little clip, oh yeah, I'm buzzing ass and da 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 about like little housewives of Atlanta and all of these other. You want them to see that you're on real estate. So make sure that you're leveraging your social media. Talk to people on there. Let people know what you're doing. All of the attention of the world is inside of these little devices that we walk around with all day and night. Don't miss out on the opportunity to actually make some money off of these phones versus just being on there consuming. You need to produce the content that other people are consuming. Anyway though, guys, man, look, I'm not trying to hold y'all up here, man. I hope that y'all appreciate this video. If y'all did, definitely drop me a comment down below and let me know. Make sure that you smack that like button if you really, really want to show some support to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, where I'm giving you some of the best marketing strategies so you can get out there and really start to make your wholesaling business boom once and for all, gotta make sure that you check out this video right here. And until next time, guys.